Hi, my name is Chow. I'm the maker behind Enchanted Pathways. In the special stitch area of the Cairo beanie, there's a twisted 3 together. So I will show you how to do that one. The first stitch will slip purlwise. Excuse me, I'm still getting over a cold. The second stitch, you'll slip purlwise. The third stitch, you will make as if you're purling, but from the back loop. So you'll turn here and you will get the back loop as if to purl. Okay, so then once you remove that, you're going to place them back onto your left needle, and the 3 stitches to the left needle is in the new orientation so that you can knit the 3 together. It's a little, sometimes hold on, I'll push it forward. Whoops, a little too far. Okay, so let me do that again. So you'll slip the first stitch purlwise, the second one purlwise, slip the third stitch as if to purl from the back loop. So here's the back loop. If I can get my needle in there. Oops. Okay. Replace all 3 stitches back to the left needle in the new orientation. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And then you will knit all 3 of them together. Okay, there you go.